In this video from Device Doctor, we are going to fix Epson L3210 printer error code 031004.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is the Epson L3210 printer. First, I will power on the printer so you can clearly see the problem. As you can see, the printer shows two lights and the red light is blinking. This means the printer has a system error and cannot operate normally. Now, I will connect the printer to the computer to identify the exact issue. On the computer screen, the printer status shows error code 031004. This is the main problem we are facing in this printer. In the first step, turn off the printer and disconnect the power cable. Use a screwdriver to remove the scanner locking clip, so the scanner unit can be separated. Remove this screw to separate the right side cover of the printer. Now disconnect the three scanner cables connected to the board, so you can easily remove the scanner unit. Now you can clearly identify the problem. Unfortunately, the print head cable is disconnected from the main board. This error is related to the print head ribbon cable that connects to the main board. Sometimes the printer ribbon cable is still connected and not loose. The problem can be with the ribbon itself. The small teeth that connect the ribbon to the board can be broken or worn out. If this happens, the printer will show the same error. In this case, you need to replace the old ribbon cable with a new one. Right now, you just need to understand that the main problem of this error is the print head cable. It needs repair or replacement. Also, remember one important small detail. You need to first disconnect the small cable for the print head from the main board. Then, connect the bigger ribbon cable. After the big cable is connected to the board, attach the small print head cable again. Now that the problem is fixed, you just need to reassemble the printer. Reconnect the scanner cables. This is very simple. Just reassemble the printer carefully. If you have any problem, watch our video carefully again. Now move the printer to the edge of the table. This will help you put the right side cover back in place easily. Now, connect the printer power cable and turn on the printer. Wait for the printer to get ready for printing. It may go through a cleaning process which can take some time, but you need to be patient. Open the ink tank cover so the printer can clean properly. Now the printer is fully ready, and no error will appear. To make sure the printer works correctly, print a test copy. Now the Epson L3210 printer is fully repaired and ready to use. We have fixed the main cause of error 031004 and checked that everything works perfectly. Remember to handle the printer carefully and follow the proper steps to avoid the same problem in the future. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Device Doctor for more repair tutorials.